Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. So you can see in this video we are generating a small tone using a buzzer and Arduino Uno R4. As you see here, this is a breadboard on which we have the buzzer connection and then we have the Arduino Uno R4. We will talk about this circuit and also in this video we will show how this tone can be generated and how you can vary the frequency and get different tones as per your need. Let's start looking into it. So this is a simple circuit where you have Arduino Uno R4 board and we are generating a tone on the D6 pin of this Arduino Uno R4 board, and we have 5 volts and ground which we will be connecting to the circuit. So you can see here this is the actual buzzer. So the 5 volts of this Arduino Uno is connected to the buzzer and the other end is connected to the collector of a NPN BJT transistor. Okay, so the base of this transistor is controlled by the D6 pin. So whatever you control here will be controlling the BJT, or whatever the output that you generate will be controlling the BJT, and then further the buzzer current through the buzzer gets controlled, and the buzzer turns on and off based on what is the frequency at which you will be controlling the base of this transistor. Just to ensure that we have a indication that power is generated from this particular circuit, we have a red LED connected. So in the previous video, once we have shown the circuit, you can see the red LED through which we have a 1K resistor. Okay, so to control the brightness, you can size the resistor value accordingly. Okay, so this buzzer check the current requirement of this particular buzzer, and then you can actually give an external power to this as well. Okay, so this is how the simple circuit is, which we have shown on the dashboard previously. Now let us look at the code. So we have a simple code here where this is the pin over which we will be outputting uh, the waveform required. Okay, so this we have named it as tone pin. As this is a constant value, we have used a keyword constant, and this is a integer which is assigned. Okay, because the pin number is always integer, right? So if you are using another pin, you can change the pin number here. Okay, this pin corresponds to the D6 pin of the Arduino Uno R4 board. Okay, now we are not using any PWM here, or we are not using any one-time configuration to generate the tones. We are continuously generating the tone to control the buzzer, right? So nothing is done in the setup, but in the loop we are using a inbuilt function which is called tone. Okay, if you see here, the function tone has 3 parameters. One is the pin name, the pin number basically, and then the frequency at which the output has to be generated on this particular pin, and for how much duration we have to generate. So these are the 3 parameters, and we have given tone pin which is already declared here, and then here we have given a frequency of 1 kilohertz, and the tone frequency is for 200. So we mentioned 500, but here we have toned it down to 200 finally, and then with a delay of 100 milliseconds we are playing a 25 kilohertz tone, and again with another 100 milliseconds we are playing a 500 hertz tone, and then 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz. So you can actually generate a different pattern of sounds by playing around with the frequencies, the timing for which this tone has to be generated, and you can generate different tones. So this is a very bare minimum code written here. You can actually create a function with a variable and make it very simple as well, but this is just a bare minimum code written to show how the tone of function can be used to generate the tones on the buzzer using Arduino Uno R4. Hope we gave a glimpse of how this is, and we have already shown it on the board. You can try by yourself and generate different tones based on your requirement.